Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for Etrade. First, navigate to the official Etrade website and locate the Open an Account button. You will then select the type of account that best suits your financial aspirations, whether it's a standard brokerage account for general investing or a retirement account like an IRA. Next, you'll need to input your personal information, including your full name, current address, and social security number to begin the application. Continuing the process, you'll be asked to provide details about your employment and answer a few questions regarding your investment background. This helps Etrade understand your financial profile. Then, you'll choose your preferred method for funding your new account. Options typically include electronic bank transfers, wire transfers, or mailing a check. Remember, a standard brokerage account has no minimum deposit requirement. Finally, take a moment to thoroughly review all the terms and conditions. The next crucial step involves verifying your identity. You will typically need to upload a clear copy of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. After that, you'll link your external bank account to your Etrade account, which is essential for both depositing and withdrawing funds. While opening the account has no minimum deposit, please note that initial electronic transfers from your bank may take between 1 and 3 business days to fully process and become available for trading. After submitting your application, Etrade will review it, a process that typically takes 1 to 3 business days for approval. Once your account is approved and fully operational, you'll set up your secure user ID and password, along with security questions, to ensure your account remains protected. With everything in place, you can then explore Etrade comprehensive trading platforms, research tools, and educational resources to confidently begin making your first investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.